Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy messenger profile link. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, give your login details and log into your messenger account. Now on your screen, you can see options like menu, create a new message, and your old messages. Now to copy the messenger profile link, all you have to do is open the chat, tap on the username, then scroll down. Now under more actions, you can see options like create group chat, view media files, pin messages, secret conversation, search in conversation, notifications and sound, and finally share contact. Select the share contact option, then you can send it to your friends. And guys, that's it. That's how you copy messenger profile link on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.